Hey everybody, it's Scott over at the TRO and Sons, and we're gonna bring you another truck of the week for this Halloween. This isn't right. Today's truck is a 93 Mack CH613 tri-axle dump truck. It's in great condition. We've replaced the head gasket on it. We've taken care of the nasty hood for you, so it's not too spectacular or spooktacular anymore. Oh, let's take a walk around, shall we? Now, let's take a look around, shall we? We have a Mack E7 inline injection pump backed up by an 8-speed Fuller double L. Come on around, let's show you the So this is a mechanical motor with an electronic foot pedal. You can see the inline injection pump right there. As we come back a little bit, you can see the edges of the cab are in pretty good shape. Tanks are nice and polished. Steel wheels all the way around. This motor's making 400 horsepower. We have this beautiful body in the back, well taken care of. 8-foot by 17-foot steel dump body, 60-inch steel sides, and the availability of a heated body to be hooked up. Frame's in good shape underneath. Camelback, broad, bushing suspension, fully 4K with the 20,000 pound air up, air down, non-steerable lift axle. Come around the back, you see you have some nice LED backup lights for you. Again, a good shot of that body with the nice tailgate and the 3 chutes in it. Rear tires and brakes are all in pretty good shape. We're gonna come up towards the front and take a look inside this cab. PTO controls in the center for the body, 8-speed double L from Fuller Transmissions. You can see a few of the gauges need a little love, but they do work, the important ones at least. Still has that good old Trucker Talk CB in the center. Seats are in good condition, air ride on the driver's side. Nice little air vents in the door. Pretty good condition. Walking around, you see more of the cab. Again, 1993 Mack CH613, your truck of the week at Arthur Trovey and Sons in Sparrowbush, New York, serving your family from ours for over 90 years. We look forward to seeing you. Come visit us, and we'll have a spooktacular time.